Azerbaijan. This is the road we choose. It's the road we follow. This is the road to the future. We look forward and discover new horizons. Aim for the top and see new heights. We construct. We build. We create infrastructure. We put to sea and set sail for new shores. We push ahead. Speed up. And take off. We celebrate the sunrise. Bask in the sun. We make the world around us a better place to live by introducing new technology and implementing greener energy. We dream big and see our dreams come true. We explore our natural resources with care. We fashion new opportunities to make our lives more exciting. Our past is forever in our hearts. Every house has a story to tell, and every stone a legend to share. We find joy in every new dawn. We find inspiration in the hues and shapes of nature. We rediscover the world around us and happily welcome everyone to Azerbaijan. We remember our poets and wise men's names by heart. We hold their legacies dear. Our journey is only just beginning. There's so much to experience and see. Explore Azerbaijan, a road into the future.
Nargiz Medical Center is a multidisciplinary medical institution. Here, patients were provided with a wide range of highly qualified services. The main areas of activity include phytotherapy, pediatrics, gynecology, allergology, andrology, gastroenterology, therapy, otolaryngology, cardiology, endocrinology, cosmetics, neurology, ophthalmology, physiotherapy, and rehabilitation. 9 specialists, highly qualified and very professional teamworks. Professors, candidates of medical sciences, as well as judges educated abroad. Doctor of Medical Sciences, Director of Nargiz Medical Center, Azerbaijan, the Chairman of the Phytotherapists Public Union. The author of the book, The Mysterious World of Plants, she owns several patents. One World Patent HB, Liver Protective Anti-Inflammatory Charlatics. This world patent is recognized by 159 countries. 10 patents of the Republic of Azerbaijan, 9 Euro-Asian patents. She participated in many international forums, seminars, and symposia. More than 28 articles were published. She defended her thesis at Shevchenko Kiev National University. International Academic Accreditation and Certification Committee awarded the title of Doctor of Medical Sciences. She was awarded the diploma, winner of the 50th Republican competition in the field of invention, by the Patent and the Trademark Center of Republic of Azerbaijan. She was awarded a silver medal by the Intellectual Property Office of the Republic of Korea and the Association of Korean and Women Inventors for the invention of the collection of living protecting medicinal plants. She was awarded a bronze medal for creative invention of vitiligo treatment method by the Intellectual Property Office of the Republic of Korea and the Association of Korean and Women Inventors. Treatment of parasitic diseases developed on the basis of patents, completely natural tools is used. She was awarded the International Golden Lake Award in Turkey and the International Summit Awards in 2021. She was awarded a diploma by the State Administration of Intellectual Property of the Republic of Macedonia. The Patent Organization of the Golden Rune Exhibition and the International Academy of Korean Women Inventors and Entrepreneurs. Just this year, the management of the European Medical Association honored her services with a special award, with the diploma of full member of the European Medical Association and the diploma of honorary member of the European Medical Association. The medal was awarded for the preparation of unique medicines recommended of use in international and world health systems. Effective cooperation, Malakhat Gahramanova became the holder of a diploma and one of the most popular speakers during the participation in the Congress of the International Association of Healthcare Doctors. Malakhat Gahramanova signed several contracts in Uzbekistan in the memorandum organized by the state. In November 2022, the chairman of the Public Union, Phytotherapists, Malakhat Gahramanova, organized a great conference called Flora and Fauna of Karabakh. The guests and participants were impressed by the patriotism of Malakhat Gahramanova and the wide program of the conference, which created an unforgettable impression. Deputies, professors, honored figures of science and art, as well as the highest elite of Azerbaijan participated in the conference. Malakhat Gahramanova participated in the World Women's Summit known as the Davos of World Women in Basel, Switzerland, and made suggestions during the discussion. Malakhat Gahramanova's products participated in exhibitions organized in Italy, Qatar, Pakistan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Uzbekistan, and Kazakhstan. It was awarded a gold medal by the Intellectual Property Office of the Republic of Korea and the Association of Korean and Women Inventors for the remedy for strengthening the Herbal. It was awarded a diploma by Vietnam Patent Organization and received a special award. Alopecia disease is fully treated with natural methods at any age and is effective.